Morning, folks. Just to update the euro on the close of yesterday. We do have a weak sell signal in place. That's that weekly divergence-based signal right there. Do we think that's a strong signal? No. The reason why is because we haven't reached the limit of participation across all time frames. So there's some evidence that it may not be a major high in place. So additionally, the key level for our short position to get out of is basically a close above last month's close there at 112.545, and most certainly for the bears, any move back above 112925 is going to open up this zone in here, which is basically the monthly bullish pivot there, 11441. That's a level that could be hit next if we do take out this 11292 level. Just looking at it structurally, obviously the downside starts to open up below this this sort of monthly bearish level there, circa 111039. It does open up a big hole in the profile, the volume profile. Looking at mean reversion process, we've moved under last week's midpoint. Perhaps I can just add that onto the price. There it is there. So we have moved under last week's midpoint, and we've got last month's midpoint acting as support down here at 110726. So short term, euro's bearish, but I am mindful that any move above this 11292 level can open up 1144. So for the short term, the short position is still in play while we remain above this that daily bullish pivot there. And so today's bullish is 11240, and the bearish, we'd like to see it close under that at what's that level there? 1.1177. Last week we did have a bearish weekly close. So on the Friday we closed under this lower yellow pivot. This week's pivot is at 111546. So that often acts as support, but if we happen to break through that on a closing basis coming into the end of June, we've got this monthly bearish there. If we close under that end of June, it's going to add weight to the downside scenario for the euro. Chat to you tomorrow.